what I've been talking about today is kind of an ideal situation where you have all the information, but you will almost never get an ideal situation. This is an actual audition advertisement that I saw, and this is all the information that was given. This is it. So all we know is female, young adult, brave, ruthless, merciless, and 2 lines. I hope you know what you're doing, and here's the intel you wanted. There are probably a dozen different ways to interpret these lines in this scene. And so I'm actually giving a talk tomorrow for game developers who are looking for voice actors, and I'm going to make the point that when you put out an audition advertisement into the world, if it is very vague, as we just saw today, this is a perfect illustration, you are going to get multiple interpretations of that script if you are not very specific about what you want. And if what you want is in here, you're going to get this whole gamut. So you're going to get a lot of auditions that you have to weed through that aren't even close to what you were looking for. So, you know, this in this case especially, like, I hope you know what you're doing. We don't even know who she's talking to, right? She could be talking to maybe her ally who's like trying to break a safe open, and the time is running out, and you're just, I hope you know what you're doing, right? Or this could be like her enemy who's about to attack her, and she knows she's going to kick their butt, and she's like, I hope you know what you're doing, right? These are completely different ways to read this line, and we have no idea based on this what it is. And so again, in this case, if you've got multiple interpretations, give them multiple takes in your audition reads. Absolutely acceptable.